Hi, this is an antique French-made pendulum and a clock face that I have for sale. These appear to be made either out of copper or some kind of bronze mix material. It's fairly thin material that these are made from, very large. So, we're measuring probably about 37 inches or so, depending on how you have your pendulum set. So the bottom portion of the pendulum swings up and down to set your timing on the clock. The clock face, we're at about 17 inches tall by 11 inches wide, with the clock about 9 inches here, the width on the diameter. Now, this is porcelain here. I can't pronounce the French on the name here. It features a scene of, there's a cross here, appears to be Jesus with like worshipers, maybe Mary and Joseph, I'm not sure, but there's a child here and a couple of people that are worshiping. It says Decorative on both of these, and on here it says CN Deposé. So as far as condition, you'll see that there is damage, like denting all throughout. It's just everywhere. There's creasing, there's a little bit of tearing here. You'll see tearing on the side here as well. Just yeah, you'll see some holes in a couple areas, but overall it's decent for the age, and I can't even estimate the age on something like this. So on the back, you'll see that there is a metal piece that goes around the clock face. There's a little slight amount of rust here, and on the pendulum, so it does have the hook here. The hook is attached to a metal piece or plate, a thin metal plate on the back. It has light surface rusting. Now it can be adjusted, so you can see as it moves up and down. Try to be gentle with that to set your time. So it's kind of a unique item, and you can see that the metal is pretty thin on this, but it's either a nice display piece or maybe for a good piece for restoration. If you have any questions, send a message on eBay. Thank you.